In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Fusion 360 T-Spline error, what causes it, and how to prevent it from happening again. If you've ever been working in the Form or Sculpt workspace and suddenly hit an error when trying to edit or convert your model, you're not alone. This is a really common issue, especially when working with complex shapes. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to diagnose and fix it. And if this helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Fusion 360 tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, let's quickly understand what a T-Spline error actually is. In Fusion 360, T-Splines are used in the Form workspace to create smooth, organic shapes, but when the geometry becomes invalid, Fusion 360 can't properly edit or convert it into a solid body. That's when you'll see the T-Spline error. Now let's go over the most common causes. The first cause is self-intersecting geometry. This happens when part of your surface overlaps or passes through itself during editing. It's easy to accidentally do this when pushing or pulling faces too far using edit form. If you run into this, simply undo your last few actions or adjust the shape so the surfaces no longer intersect. The second cause is too many star points. A star point is a vertex where 5 or more edges meet. While Fusion 360 allows some flexibility, too many star points can create instability in your model. Try to maintain clean topology with mostly 4-sided faces, also known as quads. This keeps your surface predictable and easier to edit. Next up, non-manifold edges. These are edges shared by more than 2 faces, which creates invalid geometry. Fusion 360 doesn't handle this well in T-Splines. If you suspect this is the issue, go into edit form mode and inspect the surrounding faces. You may need to delete or rebuild small sections of your mesh. Another common issue is collapsed faces or edges. These are faces that have become extremely small or have zero area. This can happen when you scale or move geometry too tightly. To fix this, zoom in closely, select the problematic area, and either reshape it or delete and rebuild it. Now let's talk about actually fixing the error step by step. Start by undoing your most recent edits to see if the error disappears. If that doesn't work, enter edit form and carefully inspect your model. Look for overlapping surfaces, strange pinching, or messy edge flow. Next, simplify your model. Reduce unnecessary subdivisions and remove extra edges where possible. A simpler mesh is much more stable and easier to convert later. Then, clean up your topology. Try to maintain evenly spaced quads and avoid creating star points unless absolutely necessary. Finally, before you click Finish Form to convert your T-Spline into a solid, double-check everything. Make sure there are no visible issues in the geometry. Taking a few extra seconds here can save you a lot of frustration. And that's it. That's how you fix the Fusion 360 T-Spline error and keep your models clean and stable. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.